Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Hey, this is Gliding on Tuesday. My name is Nori, as y'all know already. I'm the host. Alright, as you can see, I'm in front of Dunkin' Donuts, and you just stopped off for something to drink and a little breakfast sandwich. And I'm gonna hit this road. Today's subject is gonna be 5 fun facts about me. Alright, so stay tuned. Alrighty, I'm going to give you 5 fun facts about me as I take a little ride. I don't even know where I'm going, but, you know, do you really have to know where you're going? You know, the bike usually tells me where she wants to go. And, you know, I just go. You know, so, yeah, 5 fun facts about me for today. As soon as these cars pass and I hit the road, I'm gonna get started here. I'm just going to jump right on in, right here. Whoop. And of course, the light just changes to red. But anyway, 5 fun facts about me. All right, number 1. All right, number 1 is, as some of you that seen some of my earlier videos know, I am retired, so I am a, you know, full-time stay-at-home dad. But the fun fact is my age. So I joined the military when I was 17, and I served 21 consecutive years and retired at the age of 38. So yeah, that's number 1. That's my 1 fun fact. Not a whole lot of people could say that they retired at the age of 38. And I guess I'm one of those select few that can say that. But I did have a job after. I did 21 years, retired, held a job that I'm not going to mention. I think I actually mentioned it in one of my other videos, but anyway, and decided, you know what, I'm just gonna stay retired. So that's my life. Yep, 38, retired. Well, I'm not 38 anymore, but I retired 38, stay-at-home dad, and making YouTube videos for you all. That's what I do now. Alright, that was number 1. I got a little cheat sheet here because my brain, however it works, I can't remember shit. You know, I just can't remember stuff all the time. So I did make a little cheat sheet. I taped it up to my little tank here. But yep. Number two. Alright, this one's for, you know, me and my older brother. Me and my older brother are exactly 3 years apart minus 1 day. Okay, his birthday is on the day and my birthday is the day before his. Okay, and the funny part of it is, all right, so we're you know 3 years apart, and my parents were doing a birthday party for his 3rd birthday. But your boy Nori had different plans for that birthday party, I guess, because I'll tell you what, I knocked down the doors and came out kicking and screaming and ruined his 3rd birthday party. All right, my mom was in the hospital giving birth to me, and yeah, so ruined his birthday party. That's how I entered this world. And, you know, for those of you who have siblings, y'all know how siblings are growing up. You hate each other, you love each other. And, yeah, that's how I came out. You know, me and my older brother, you know, and my younger brother, we're all real close. So that's a good thing. We are real close. We talk basically on a daily basis. You know, through like Facebook Messenger and videos and stuff like that. Yep, so that's fun fact number 2, all right? Fun fact number 3, for some of you that have watched my bar mail videos, if you haven't, go check them out, okay? Go check them out and see who I open up mail from and the stickers that I receive. And who knows, you might look at it and be like, hey, I'm not subscribed to that person. Bam, I'm subscribing now. So that's why I throw those up there, man, to bring awareness to the motorcycle community on YouTube. So that way, if you're not subscribed to somebody, hey, I'm glad I can point you in the right direction with that. All right. But anyway, back to the subject. Number 3, y'all seen my bar and those bar mail videos? And if you notice, I know some of you have and some of you haven't, but on the top of those videos you see cigar boxes. So I'd line up my the top of my walls in my man cave with cigar boxes. So I love smoking cigars. I've been smoking them for several years. I have a 400 count humidor in my house, and it's full. Okay, it's full. So I love smoking cigars. I love combining my love for smoking cigars and riding at the same time. And I do it all the time. I smoke a cigar while I'm riding. But I'm not like Road Reality. That guy, go look at his videos. Go look at his videos. He's an avid cigar smoker also. Smoking and talking on making videos and riding. I can't do all 3. Okay, I can do 2 at the most. Okay, I can record a video, I can talk and ride, or I can ride and smoke a cigar. I ain't gonna do all 3 because, you know, I got to pay attention to the road. But that guy, his skills is on point. Road Reality, I give you props, man, for doing all 3 at the same time. But I did notice one thing, if you're gonna watch this Road Reality, is that you just smoked a bare cigar there. Do you ever notice that your cigar unravels? Hey man, yeah, I had that problem plenty of times. My cigar unravels. So, what I found and bought is a cigar holder for while you're riding. It's called cigar throttle. Let me show it to you. You see that thing right here? So, and I put my cigars in there, and I smoke it, and my cigars never unravel at all. So, hey, Road Reality, you might want to look into it. It is a hefty price tag for it, though. That's one downside. The second downside to it is that it only takes up to a 50 ring gauge cigar. And if you're like me, you probably smoke, 60 ring gauge cigars as well. Those don't fit in there. Only up to a 50 ring gauge. All right. That was fun fact number 3. All right. So for number 4, all right, it's still related to the bar. Okay, my bar. Yeah, I know I have that bar in my man cave. That's where I shoot my bar mail videos. You notice the liquor in the background. I got a bunch of liquor in there, or what have you. But the fact of the matter is, I don't drink anymore. Anymore. I used to be a really, really big time drinker, whether it was beer or straight alcohol. I used to drink a lot, okay? A lot. And as a matter of fact, when I built that bar, I was still drinking, okay? But I don't drink anymore. It's not because I don't want to, all right? Because I do. Sometimes I just want to have me a drink with one of my cigars, all right? But I have a liver condition now that prevents me from drinking alcohol. So I have to stay away from it if I want to stay on this earth. But that's plain to say. I can't get any more plain than that, right? It's either drinking or stay on the earth. Which one am I going to pick? So of course, I don't drink anymore. I choose to stay on this earth and make YouTube videos for you all. All right, that's my pastime. But I keep all the liquor there because I have folks that, you know, friends and or whatnot that come over that do drink. So guess what? I provide the alcohol for them. Here, drink it up. No problems whatsoever with me. I'm not using it. I'm not consuming it. Someone might as well enjoy. All right, so that's why I keep the liquor there. All right. So that was fun fact number 4. All right. For fun fact number 5, and this may or may not come as a shocker to some of you. I am actually an introverted person. Yes, may not seem like it in this video, but I'm actually an introverted person, okay? I'm usually quiet, calm, and reserved, especially if we meet for the first time. It takes me a little bit. I got to, you know, feel you out, know what your intentions are, what have you. And then, you know, we go from there. So that's, yeah, I'm actually an introvert. It takes me a little while to warm up to someone. You know, it's all because, you know, I don't know, it's just me. The main thing is I got to know what the intentions are. Are we, you know, gonna be chit-chatting, you know, a whole lot, or are we not, or whatever? You know, some people have you know, false, you know, I don't even know the words for it. You know, my mind just drew a blank. But yeah, some folks aren't always good for you. So I sit back and I watch that. I fill them out. If we could jive, yep, you know, I'm open up a little bit more since we're gonna jive. If we're not, then you probably won't ever hear back from me again. That's just the way I am. You know, not everybody's there for you. All right, they're there to watch you. Those are my 5 fun facts. And let me tell you, I decided to make this video because of Black Belt Bagger. Okay, Brandon. He made his video, which so I give him credit for it, but he got it from someone else, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't remember off the top of my head right now. I'll tell you what, like I said earlier, I can't remember a whole lot of stuff, but I can't remember off the top of my head who he got it from, right? But I'm going to post it up here on this video somewhere, okay, for you all to see. Just like I said earlier, if you're not subscribed to either Black Belt Bagger or the person that he got the 5 fun facts video from, then you all can go over there to their pages and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll put the links down in my description for you all, so that way you go ahead and check out their videos and subscribe to their channels. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I have for today. I just wanted to give you a quick one. I don't even know how long it took, but give you a quick video while I ride around town, ride through these back roads or whatnot, give you my 5 fun facts, and let you know that the weather here in South Carolina is pretty good. And as the people here in South Carolina say, it's a great day in South Carolina, right? So I hope you all have a good one. Enjoy your day, but above all, enjoy your ride.